We're now going to look at some of the situations where there are specific risks to consider before undertaking tasks. These situations may apply to you, but they can apply to contractors and visitors working on site too. In all situations, you must always perform a risk assessment and discuss any risks with the health and safety officer before carrying out the task. You may also require approval from the relevant site manager. If you need to work at height, then you must only do so with an overhead work permit, using appropriate fall prevention and protection, and always have 3 points of contact when climbing and descending. Never exceed the approved equipment limits and never move or modify a scaffold without approval. If you find yourself working in a confined space or excavation, then you must have a special work permit in place. Always check the air quality and maintain good ventilation. You should always make sure the emergency and extraction procedures are effective before entering any confined space. Never enter a confined space without being trained and authorised to do so, and never enter a confined space without the presence of a qualified attendant. Organise your work well in advance so you can choose the correct tools and machinery. Always check that they are in good condition and can be used safely. Report any damage to tools or machine guards and isolate or protect them so they cannot be used. Never disable or remove the protection of a machine or tool. Only carry out lifting operations if you're trained and authorised to do so and have lifting plans in place before you start the job. Make sure the load can be lifted safely and ensure the equipment is in good condition. Never stand, walk or work under a load.